If your gut tells you something is not right about someone or a situation, trust it. Even you are in a relationship, even how much you love that person, but your gut always tells you that something is not right, you have to leave that person, because you are going to hate yourself now, because you don't want to listen to your gut. Even you want to go somewhere, maybe there is a situation or a accident, but your gut tells you that don't go. Sometimes don't go, guys, because sometimes you are going to have an accident or something. You have to trust your gut in life, because your gut can tell you the truth. Even something is going to happen, your gut can tell you that there is something wrong. Even something wrong in relationships, if you saw that person most of the time, your gut maybe start beating. Sometimes maybe you are in love with that person, or there is something wrong about that person. So sometimes, guys, even sometimes you can hear sometimes that there is something wrong about that person. You have to leave. Maybe you don't know about his secrets or her secrets. You are dating, guys. Sometimes when you are in a relationship with other people, most of the time we don't know their true colors sometimes. But when your gut tells you that leave that person, most of the time you have to leave, even how much you leave that you love that person, but there is something wrong, you don't know, your gut tells you that you have to leave that person, or the situation, you are going to be in trouble sometimes, because you don't listen to your gut most of the time. Your gut can't lie to you most of the time, guys. Sometimes, guys, you are in bad situation because we don't want to listen most of the time. Even you are in bad situation, you can hear it with your gut that there is something wrong, even something wrong about that person. You are in a relationship, but you can feel it. You can feel that there is something wrong about that person. You didn't hear anything, but there is something wrong. Trust your gut most of the time. You have to trust your gut, because, guys, your gut tells you everything. Because sometimes, guys, you are in trouble because you don't listen to your gut. Even, guys, you know that other relationships most of the time, if sometimes you love that person, but you know that there is something wrong, you don't know. You understand? People, you have got secrets in relationships, and sometimes you are complaining you are being married to that person, but your gut always tells you before you are married to that person that leave that person, you don't want to listen. And now you are married to that person, and now that person is showing you his true colors or her true colors.